Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make iPhone stop changing brightness. Here's a clear step guide to stop your iPhone from automatically changing brightness. First is to open the Settings app. It's the gray or gear icon. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. Scroll all the way down. Then find Auto Brightness. Toggle off Auto Brightness. This stops the screen from adjusting based on light around you. Go back to the main settings screen. Tap Display and Brightness. Turn off True Tone. Optional. This also change brightness slightly based on lighting. Manually set your preferred brightness. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to adjust brightness using the Control Center slider. And you're done. Now your iPhone will keep the brightness you set, and it will change automatically. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.